All right, guys, well, welcome back. We are in Daytona. We're going to do our first shoot, and we're doing something different. I have a chest harness. Believe me, it fits. I've messed with it long enough. And it will hold my DJI Pocket 3. I point it out this way, I turn the lens that way. That way, wherever I move, this points, and then I can hold the camera in this hand. I have no idea what this is going to look like. I don't know if it's going to be good. I don't know if it's going to be terrible, but whatever happens, we're going to show it. So, good or bad, we're going to see it. It's 2 Minute Tuesday, so it's going to be probably less than 2 minute video. We're going to give it a shot. We want to try something fun. I love the DJI, and I want to try something new. I want to incorporate, if I can get this working like I want, we'll incorporate this into a lot of different shoots, because I think it is a very cool idea to have this recording wherever I'm facing instead of having the camera off to the side, or also have a camera off to the side. But this should be very cool. So let's check it out and see what we can get. Okay, we are at Daytona Beach. We are experimenting with this chest thing I got for the DJI Pocket 3. Not sure how that's going to work. We're going to try it. And we're also going to be shooting some test shots with the Lumix S5 Mark II and the 50mm lens. See what we can get. So let's get started. Bird coming up here. Don't really have the right lens on for this, but we'll see what we can get. See how close he'll let us get to him. Or he decides to fly away. See how pretty this is? Look. Now this is so pretty, the sunset. Before we head in. And there is the ocean right there. Okay guys, that was it for our video. Probably not going to win any awards for movie of the year or anything, but it's a start. I think we're getting off to a good start with this. Got some improvement to do, obviously, as you can tell, but we'll keep working on it. I think we'll get it right. For helping you out, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. You guys have a great day. Thank you.